Today we're going to show you how to adjust your headlights on your 2015 Ford Explorer. And all you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. Over here, you'll notice this bolt right here, so that's a little indication of where you need to go, is your light switch. And in the back of it, you can put your Phillips head screwdriver in there and you can see the white thing turning. Now, that's also a 10 millimeter. If you somehow want to get in there with a 10 millimeter, you can do that too. But right now, this Phillips head screwdriver will do the trick. And you just twist it, and you can see right here how it's adjusting the headlight up. And then if I twist it the other way, it will adjust the headlight down. So on the passenger side, there's your bolt. That's kind of a marker. Come right down and you can see it right here. And you put your screwdriver in there and you start twisting. Or if you want to get a 10 millimeter, you can twist it from the back here. We've got a little bit of a stone in here. I'll have to get that out, but you might have some debris in there you want to clean out too. That's how you do your passenger side. And that's how you adjust your headlights on your 2015 Ford Explorer. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.